All right, Dahi Kaur, Dahi, could you please describe the inherent checks on the setting out data for a horizontal road curve?
Yeah. There's an allowable error for 5 second theodolite is 2.5 millimeter in 100 meters space. For 3 second total station, it is less than 2 millimeters in 100 meters. Sorry. The use of an average of readings on the opposite faces, and then the check, you do the double of the cumulative angle, and then that's equal to a gentle angle or tangential angle, sorry.
Yeah.
And then you have to make sure the linear measurements are checked using intermediate and overall dimensions.
Good stuff. Okay, so the drainage run, same question. Please describe the inherent checks on the drainage run, please.
An optical level should be accurate to plus or minus 2 to 5 millimeters over a 30 to 50 meter span. A run level should be open and closed on the temporary benchmarks to eliminate any error that could happen.
How could you check the closing error then, Di?
Closing error. That's the 5 times the square root of number of change points.
Good stuff. Yeah, 5 times square root number of change points, and that will give you your allowable error.
Yeah.
Can you describe any checks in the calculations that we would do then?
Well, there's a small check and then there's a big check. The small check would be the sum of the back sites minus the sum of the foresights, and then that should all equal the first reduced level minus the last reduced level. And the big check would be the sum of all the reduced levels, excluding the first one, and then the sum that's equal to the sum of the height of combination times the number of reduced levels, and minus the sum of intermediate plus the sum of foresights.
Excellent, very good. Yep, very good. What do you call the test we would do on the optical level, Di?
The optical level? That's the 2-peg test, is it?
Yeah, good man, well done. 2-peg test. Okay. Anything else we could do to check the equipment or what we use to set out?
Just make sure it's all level, and you go over your lengths, and then you check the diagonals.
Okay, so if we move to the final question, please describe the inherent checks on the build and setting out plan.
Yeah. You would use Bowditch's rule, and then there's a table to go along with that, and then you check the intermediate or overall dimensions, and then you plus the adjacent sides.
Adjacent sides, yeah.
They're equal, and then you check all the diagonals that are equal.
Good stuff, and that'll hopefully ensure that it's set out square and properly. Yeah. Finally, for the distinction, then, Dahi, can you describe or can you name the British standard that governs?
The BS 5964. Then it's called the Building, Setting Out and Management Standards.
Good stuff. And how many parts are there to that, Dahi? Not sure?
No, I'm not sure.
That's okay. So, that's super. Thank you, Dahi. Cheers.